Hey my loves, I'm back with another video, and we got right here, this is from the Nappy Love box. um this is my second time getting them, so let's check them out. This box smells really good. I'm gonna go over to what the box look like. This is thanks for supporting us, and this is, I think, the owner. I don't want to get it wrong, but Nappy Love Box TV on YouTube. She's also on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And they have a nappylovebox.com website as well. So let's get into this box and see what I got for this month. Okay, got another thank you card. We hope you love your box. This is the cheat sheet, so you can know what's inside. I'll pause it for ya. So let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, this is a nice box for this month, you guys. Alright, so right here, let's see what we got. We got this wet paddle brush and the hose. This is very nice because I really wanted one, because I was gonna probably straighten my hair. But yeah, I tried this out. It looked like it's going to work. Alright, let's see what these cards are first. Okay. Embrace Your Beauty Nappy Love Box. Okay, this is like her cards. Alright. So let's see. I don't know if I see somebody in the street, if I ever go outside, because you know we're on lockdown basically. But yeah. So we have that right there. With my ashy hands. Okay, I'll put the box to the side. Okay, so right here we have, I think it got scratched on the thing. So this is for the hair types. There's 1 and 2. This is for 3 and 4. It's aloe and cocoa butter. This is an exfoliating shampoo by Texture ID. Dry hair and scalp relief for eucalyptus. So this is pretty cool, you guys. And it's a 6 ounce. It has the top over the thing over, but it smells really good. I can smell it already. It reminds me of some candy that I had when I was little. Okay, so next we have, just by the same people, this is for number 4, coils. This is texture butter. It has sweet almond, honey, and yogurt extracts, and it's good for coil twist. I think the beginning's like in Spanish or something. Don't quote me. I'm really bad at that. So, but yeah, she taped this up really good. This smells good as well. I think all the products smell basically the same. That smells really, really good, you guys. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry about that. Battery died. Okay, so this is twist butter. Ooh, look at that. It's super creamy. Oh yes, it smells so good. It's like a strong smell, but it instantly goes away, in my opinion. Okay, so right here we have the self-heating coil conditioning mask. Ooh, it self-heats by itself. I've never had anything like that before. So this basically is supposed to do this after you shampoo, you guys. You leave it on for 10 to 15, no, 20 to 15 to 20 minutes, you guys. So I'm gonna open this real quick so you can see what it look like. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Oh, it smells good too. It's kind of like the same smell as the other ones, but not as much. It's kind of giving me like a perfumey vibe, some kind of perfume or something. I don't know, just my opinion. And the glitter is from the paper, the wrapping that they have in here. So this is the Daily Curls moisturizing cream. This is for number 4 as well. And let's see, basically this is to give your curls as much moisture as you need. This leave-in conditioner is hydrating and it's lightweight as well. So let's open this up. Oh, that's very, very thick. Really good. It's like springtime, so I wonder how this will do in the wintertime when it's really dry outside. So this is the tangling conditioner. Oh, for coily hair types. So this is after shampoo. Après. So what exactly does après mean? 'Cause I know we have those nails. I never got the actual definition, but if anybody knows, please let me know. Okay, so let's cut this real quick. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh. It smells very, very good. Forgot to try this out. Oh. Okay. It's conditioner. Nice one to see. It smells really good. They all smell pretty much the same, but some has like a stronger scent to it than others. Okay, so right here you have your cut and detangling comb. Cut and detangle. So I'm thinking detangle your hair and then use scissors to cut with for the length or something. I don't know. So yeah, I need a comb like that for parting and everything. And then, oh, let's check this out. Okay, so right here we have, this is a frizz-free tea towel. So it's loop and twist. So I think this is the ones that dry your hair, I believe. I'm not really sure. It's cotton and spandex. I have the color black. So let me see. Let me open this up for you guys. Oh, glitter and stuff on it. Okay, so yeah, I think it's for your hair. That's what it looks like. Because I have one, but this one's really big. I really like that because the one I have is really small. That's nice. So basically you put this over your head, you put this in the front, and then you just snap this in right here. Not snap them in, but you know, like that. So that's pretty neat. Okay, so let's go through everything that I've got. So I have some detangling conditioner. This is 12 ounces. It's really tall, as you can see. This is 8 ounces. This is the moisturizing daily cream. You have a comb, a detangling comb. You have self-heating conditioning mask. And you have some twist butter if you want to braid your hair or twist it or something. To give a definition, if you want to take it out or keep it in, it's up to you. And this is the shampoo and scalp scrub exfoliator. So you know what? I'm just gonna open this anyway, so I can see what color it is and you guys can see too. And the consistency. Okay, so let's take a little bit. Oh yeah, it is exfoliating because I could feel like these little bitty pebbles. Tiny, tiny, tiny pebbles. I don't know if you guys could see it in the camera. Get a little closer. All up in my hand. Oh my gosh. Okay. So you see that right there, and that right there, and a couple more spots, like right there and stuff. Those are the little pebbles I'm feeling. So yeah, I think that's really good. It smells good too. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Alright, you guys. And I had the paddle brush. This nice old paddle brush right here. And you have this towel wrap. It's frizz-free for your hair. Alright, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly box from them. And I will catch you in my next one next month, hopefully. We'll see how everything goes. Until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Alright. Bye.